I'm going to be telling you about a simple way or how to fix heartburn naturally and fast. Now, it started with a story of my brother. He's been having heartburn, and because of the heartburn, even when he sleeps, where when you sleep, it's kind of you feel like it's rising, it's rising. He said that's how he used to feel. So he decided to Google and take and listen to a certain doctor. I'll put a link to his YouTube. Then you can watch. You see what he says in details into the scientific what happens exactly. But he tried it and it works. So I thought I share with you guys. So some of you are telling me I'm suffering from acidity and all that. So this really helped. He said it worked immediately within minutes. He said he was so excited. He called me. He's like, "Oh my god! Imagine I took this and it worked minutes." So this is what he did. He took apple cider vinegar. You buy the nice brand, the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. That's the best. Don't go buy that crap. Buy the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon with a glass of water. You mix it up and you drink. That helps because that means when you have acidity, you have low stomach acid. Your stomach acid is low, so it's not you're not able to digest your food properly. So yeah, because of the acidity is so low, there's that thing that happens. But anyway, I'll put a link. Then he can give you the proper details, the scientific details of what happens. So you just apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. Don't take it conk, obviously. That will help immediately. So if you find that it helps, put your comment down below and tell me, oh my god, it helped. Because when he told me it helps, I thought, this is something awesome to share with our people. Yes, that is it. You can subscribe for more recipes, or sorry, for more videos. And yeah, that is it. I thought that is an awesome thing to share. If you're having acid reflux, you're having heartburn, you're having something called, they call it GAD. Yes, I'll put a link to the video. You can see the proper explanation, scientific, even he draws a chart for you and everything. And I thought if this is helpful for you, say how it helped you, or if it didn't help you, also put your comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.